Hi everybody, question number 21, merge two sorted lists, and it's an easy question. You're given the heads of two sorted linked lists, list 1 and list 2. Merge the two lists into one sorted list. The list should be made by splicing together the nodes of the first two lists. Return the head of the merged linked list. So we have a 1, 3, 4, and we have a 1, 2, 4. And we see that it gets that one here from here, and the one from here, and then it adds the 2 from here, then adds the 3, then adds the 4, and then adds the 4. So we need to do that. And how do we do that? The first given information in the question is the heads. So we say point 1 equal to list 1 and point 2 equal to list 2. So those are the heads that we have. And the next thing we want to do, we want to make a dummy node. So we say point 3 equals to, so based on this, we can use this as creating a dummy node, initializing one, list node, and then none. And then we say head. We want to store that head inside head, basically. So the point 3 is inside the head. Okay. So that's what we do until here. The next thing we want to do, we want to say, while there is a point 1 and there is a point 2, do a set of operations. So while point 1 and point 2, if we want to check point 1 dot val less or equal to point 2 dot val, point 3 dot next equal to point 1. And so point 3 dot next equals to point 1, and after that we want to say point 1 equal to point 1 dot next, else point 3 dot next equal to point 2, point 2 equals to point 2 dot next, and at the end we want to say point 3 equals to point 3 dot next. Okay, so what do we do here? So we're saying if there is a point 1 and point 2, if these exist, we want to say point 3, which was the head, which was a dummy node, the head was the dummy node, dot next, the next of the point 3 equals to point 1. So add the point 1 to the point 3, basically. If this is less or equal than this, and else add the point 2 basically to that. And every time you're adding, you're basically iterating through point 1. You're going to the next part of it, or point 2, it doesn't matter. After you add this, you go to the next one. And then at the end also you're iterating through point 3. So you going one step forward here. After adding this, we're going to the next one. Okay, so this is done. There's one problem here. This is not completely done, and that is, what if point 1 is bigger than point, like this array, not array, linked list is bigger than this? Then this stops, but this doesn't. I mean, this stops at here, but if this had another one, it will one basically node will remain. So we want to say if point 1 then say point 3 dot next equal to point 1, else point 3 dot next equal to point 2. So this is what we do, and at the end we return the head dot next. So we don't care about that dummy node. We're just basically getting the head of the linked list after that dummy node. So we return that, and so this will work, I think. It passed our test case, and yeah, so that works for us. This was the question, merge two sorted lists.